Hello.
Hi guys.
We're at the Malvern Three Counties Showground for the Land Rover show. So come along with us.
Hi everyone again, this is us again for an outro. Awkward outro is awkward.
God, you make it more awkward than I do.
A little bit. Enjoy the background, you probably can't see it, but it's gorgeous background.
No.
This has been Malvern Land Rover Show 2023. It's probably all been set to music, I have no idea. Alana's been in charge of videography.
Yeah.
So
There's some people over there looking at us funny.
yeah, we're weirdos. We're on top of a hill.
We're on top of a hill, yeah.
We're not giants or anything.
No.
But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Where you want your Instagram
Instagram's
logo.
going to be down here today.
There you go.
Bottom corner.
Bottom corner.
Yeah.
So go and check out the
Or
Instagram.
over here. Over here's also fine.
Yes.
I don't mind.
Our car's somewhere over there. Alana won't pan to it because it'll take forever to try and do it.
Over there somewhere. Not really sure.
But yeah, before this intro gets too long, hopefully you can hear us because it's quite windy.
Yep.
Thanks for watching, and tune in for the next video because the next video could be really good. It could be like
It's
a pay and play type video. So hopefully if all goes according to plan, then there'll be a great video coming out.
It'll be worth that.
But yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next video, everyone.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.